Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered whether you can log into Cash App using your Cashtag, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through the exact login process, step by step, clear up a big misconception about Cashtags, and help you avoid any login headaches. Stick with me until the end so you know exactly how to access your account securely every single time. Main content. First things first, let's clear up the confusion. You cannot log into Cash App using your Cashtag. A Cashtag is your unique username. It starts with a $sign and makes it super easy for others to send you money without sharing your phone number or email. But when it comes to logging in, Cashtags are not used for authentication. So how do you actually log in? Here's the step-by-step process. Open the Cash app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the home screen. On the login page, enter either the email address or phone number you registered with. Tap Next. You'll receive a one-time verification code via SMS or email. Enter that code and boom, you're in. That's it. Quick, easy, and secure. The key takeaway: Cashtags are great for sending and receiving money, but they can't be used to sign in. Always use your registered phone number or email, plus the verification code to access your account. And if Cash App ever adds Cashtag login in the future, I'll be the first to update you. And there you have it. A clear step-by-step guide to logging into Cash App and the truth about Cashtags. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick Cash App tips, and check out the links in the description for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.